What if your rear view mirror could record everything in true 4K and still look sleek while driving? Today I'm checking out the Pelsee P12 Pro 4K mirror dashcam. Let's see if it's actually worth it. This is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Wi-Fi mirror dash camera from the Starlight series. It comes with wipes to clean the screen. It comes with a sticker protected by Pelsee dashcam. That's cool. The manual and instructions, extra stickers, micro SD card of 32 gigs, trim tool, GPS antenna for straps to hold the mirror, the power cable with cigarette lighter connection, the rear view camera with the cable and extension, and this is the mirror. The rear view mirror. On the front is the mirror. You can remove this one to see it, but this is for protection. On the back, vent for cooling, and the hooks to put the straps and hold it to the mirror, rear view mirror. The camera, you have to remove this one. The power button to turn it on, but it will turn on automatically. And on the top, the USB-C connection for the power, the rear camera, the slot for the memory card, and the connection for the GPS, the antenna. Cool. And that's everything for the camera. And that's everything that comes inside the box. Okay, the camera and rear mirror is already installed in here. I have the power cable and the rear view camera. The only one I didn't install is the GPS because I don't want to have a lot of cables, but you can put it in there. Cool. I did end up installing the GPS because if you don't install the GPS, you won't be able to see the miles per hour on the screen or on the video. All right, so that's the rear mirror. It's very nice. So the cable is in here. It goes under the roof liner, under here, so you can see it maybe. Yeah, it's hard to see it on the camera. It goes under here, here you can see a little bit the cable. Have to hide it a little bit better. And then goes under this trim, and here is the connection for the plug. Cool. And then goes over here, and in there you can see the cable a little bit there. I'll show you over here. Yeah, you can see it there. The cable, yeah, and then goes under here behind the seat and goes, I'll show you here the cable. So goes there, then here and comes out in here, play here, and then I removed this plastic and the camera is there here. Amazing. Look at that. All right, so nice. It's time to test it and let's see the menu and how it works. All right, everything is ready. This one looks amazing. So let's see how it works. First, remember to connect the plug in the cigarette lighter connection and then turn on the switch, ignition. Let's see if it turns on. Cool.
Recording started.
Nice. Oh, it looks pretty clear. It's nice. Okay, so let's see how it works. The first thing. Okay, if you tap once, it will change the view, the menu and the options. Okay, you tap like this, you can change the view here too. Maybe like that. This one is for the brightness. You can see it. Oh, it's this side. Okay, you can lower. Yeah, the brightness. Right there, it's pretty bright. Okay, and then the bottom, it has 5 buttons. This one is to go to the menu. It has all the files here to check, but that's the first button. The second button is to mute the audio or to turn on the audio.
Audio recording disabled.
Or
audio recording enabled.
Okay. And
audio recording disabled.
Oh, sorry.
Audio recording enabled.
And the one in the middle is to take a screenshot. Cool. This one is to stop or turn on the recording.
Recording stopped. Recording started.
And this one is to lock the video.
Video locked.
Yes, unlocked. Okay, it doesn't let me unlock it. Lock it. All right, and it has voice commands, so you can say anything of these words, and it will like lock the video, and it will lock the video. All right. Okay, now let's go to the menu. Okay, so with the one tap, you can change the view here, and if you slide your finger to the side, you can see the view for the front camera, the rear camera, and like that. Okay, cool. So now let's leave it on the rear camera, and let's see the menu, how it works. The first one, okay, has this option, advanced driving assistant. You can turn it on and off. It will tell you if something is in front of you, okay. Blind spot driving, the second one is something is that you cannot see, it's in the front of you, it will alert you, but you have to turn it on and off here. And the last one is a line changing assistant. All right, so this one, if you are changing line, it will alert you if there's a car on your left or your right side. That's pretty cool. File Explorer, boom. And these are the videos. Right now I don't have a lot of videos because I just installed it. So it has the videos, emergency, the lock videos, emergency, the front photo, normal, and the back, normal.
Recording started.
That's cool. We're gonna see how to download the videos in a little bit, but for now, let's see everything, all the settings. And this one in the middle is to go back to the dash cam.
Recording started.
Like this. Cool.
Recording stopped.
And then camera settings. Let's see the camera settings. Video resolution, amazing, 4K. That's cool. Let's leave it in 4K, but you can put it 2K and 1080p. But I recommend putting it in 4K because it's better resolution. Video length. You can put it at 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Okay, 1 minute is better because it's easier to download. But if you want to make the videos 5 minutes, is fine. Frequency 60 Hertz. I'm gonna leave it like that. The G sensor is in medium. Let's put it in low because sometimes when the cars, you hit a bump, it will lock the video. So let's put it in low. Parking monitor, it's off, but for this one you will need a higher wiring kit so you can keep the camera on all the time. All right, let's go back. Time-lapse recording, that one is for the parking mode. Okay, you can put it on time-lapse so it doesn't make the videos too long. Time-lapse duration, you can put it like that, change it, 24 hours. Audio recording, you can turn it on and off in here too, that's cool. Time stamp, you can turn it on and off to remove it from the video if you want to remove it. Rear view mirror, if you have to flip it. Let's see that.
Recording started.
Okay. No, it's fine. I can see it in the correct way. If you see the sign in the opposite way that is wrong, just you can flip it in there. So this is for that. If you want to flip the view of the rear mirror. Okay, those are all the options in here. And then system settings. Cool. Set the rear view to default. No, let's leave it like that. Volume. Yeah, the volume I'm gonna put it in low. It's a little bit too loud. The boot up sound. That's when you turn on the car. It starts with a little sound. You can turn it on and off in there. I'm gonna leave it on for now. The touch sound, you can turn it on and off. The beep. That's okay. I'm gonna leave it on for now. Auto screen is in 1 minute, but I'm gonna leave it on so I can see. Yeah, I can see the screen on all the time. But you can turn it for 1 minute and then it's gonna turn off after 1 minute, or 3 minutes and then it's gonna turn off. But I wanted to leave it on all the time. Cool. And then the speed, miles per hour, but you can change it for kilometers per hour. Go back. A speed adjustment for now, let's put it 0. Language, English, time zone. Here I think we are, yeah, I think that's the right one. Voice control, you can turn it on and off in there. Show speed and time, it's okay, on for now. GPS information, I don't have nothing because I didn't put the GPS, but you can put it if you want it, okay, for your location. Okay, it has more options. You have to do it like this, go up, and then it has the frequency 5.8 Hertz, that's cool. And then it has the Wi-Fi. You can turn on and off the Wi-Fi, and you can scan that one to download the app. That's cool. Data and time is right there. That's cool. And then format, you can format the SD card there, but I want to do it right now. And then that's the version of the camera. And reset for factory settings, but I don't want to do it right now. Cool. Okay, now let's download the app and let's see how to download the videos with the app. coming up right now. Okay, now let's see how the app works. Everything is ready, so we have to download this app. The name of the app is Pelsee Cam, this one. Let's open it up. Okay, it says terms, agree, login. I can skip for now. Yes. So we have to add a camera. Your location, local network, allow. All right. Okay, I forgot something. We have to turn on the camera. So I have to turn on the ignition and make sure it's connected and the camera is on. Cool. All right. So now let's go here. Next, connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, the next thing, you have to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Okay, we have to turn on the Wi-Fi here. Let's see how. System settings. But after the GPS, it has the Wi-Fi frequency 2.4 gigs or 5.8 gigs. Let's put it 5, and then the Wi-Fi information is right there. You can turn it on and off in there. We're gonna turn it on for now because we're gonna connect it.
Wi-Fi is turned on.
Right there is the name of the Wi-Fi and the password. Okay, now let's see if you can find the, right there, P12 Pro, that's the Wi-Fi. Connect to that one and then put the password. It's 1 to 8, and then connect, and it's connected. So now add camera. Cool. Yeah, it's connected now. You can see it there. Okay, so in here it has the switch for the view. There's an icon here right there. Hit that one and change the view. For now, let's leave it on the front view. This one is to stop, to pause, or to turn on the recording. The other one is for a screenshot. This one is for the audio. Turn it on or turn it off. Okay. And on the bottom, it has the camera files. So over here are the videos. All right. So you can select any of the videos, and you can download it here if you want. It's pretty quick, but I don't want to download it right now. Cancel, confirm. Okay, so you can download the videos in here, all the videos in the one on the bottom here on the left side. Now the camera settings, these are the same settings that we already saw. Sound recording, the resolution, the loop recording, timestamp, miles per hour, the speed unit, collision detection sensitivity low, camera language, collision detection off. Everything is here. You can format the SD card and everything in here. All right, so it's super simple. Cool. So that's all for the app. All right, and now let's see the resolution, the video resolution, and this is the debut for the front camera. The front camera is a 4K resolution. As you can see, everything is visible. You can see what kind of car it is. You can see the license plate, the brightness of the debut. It looks good. Everything looks clear and nice. So for the front camera, no complaints. It looks great. And now this is the debut for the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution. The resolution a little bit less, but as you can see, it still looks good. Everything, it looks clear. License plate, the cars, everything is visible and it looks pretty clear to me. So for the debut for the rear camera, it looks great too. Cool. All right, and now this is the night view for the front camera, 4K resolution, and the front camera, it has a night vision. As you can see, everything, it looks very clear. You can see the vehicles very good. The glare, it doesn't affect on the camera. You can see the license plates. You can see the tail lights pretty good. And you can see what kind of vehicle it is. So for the night view for the front camera, is amazing. I like it a lot. And now this is the night view for the rear camera, 1080p resolution. And this one, it looks great too. This one has night vision too. Usually rear cameras with 1080p resolutions are very blurry, but this one is clear. It looks amazing. The night vision is great. You can see the vehicles, everything. You can see the streets, the signs, everything. So for the rear camera, it's great. I like it a lot too. So no complaints. Okay, I want to show you how amazing this thing it is. As you can see in here, it looks like it's daylight. But in here, look at that. It's super dark. Daylight, dark. Amazing. So the night vision on this one is amazing. So to wrap it up, the Pelsee P12 Pro 4K mirror dashcam delivers sharp 4K video, a clean mirror style design, and solid front and rear camera coverage without cluttering your windshield. Once it's installed, it feels very natural to use and adds real peace of mind while driving. Overall, I think this is a solid choice if you're looking for a modern mirror dashcam that blends into your car and just works. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description down below, and if the video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you trust a mirror dashcam like this one in your car. Thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next one.